Do you want to make $100 per day on YouTube without making any videos? Welcome back. My name is Mark, and today in this video I am sharing with you how you can make $100 per day without making any videos, guys. The most important part, how anyone in the world, even if you have zero experience subscribers, can start making money today on YouTube without making any video yourself, guys. But before that, if you new to on this channel, hey, my name is Mark. In this channel I teach people how to make money online and start your own online business so you can get more freedom to spend the time your kids or travel the world with just your laptop and internet connection. So if you interested on this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Okay, so if you need any help or your problems about making money online, just search on FB I am Mark. Go to page section, like my official Facebook page, and just send me a message about your problems. I promise myself I will never be like the other gurus. They never respond to my message when I was getting started. So with that said, let's start this video. So alright guys, welcome back to my screen, and we are right now on YouTube. So guys, go to search and type top 10 fastest car. Guys, what we are seeing here on this result, we can see here guys 2.8 million, 4.8 million and 1.1 million views, guys. Top 10 fastest car in the world 2019. So guys, how we are make this type of video and earn money from Google AdSense? We need to do is guys call Creative Commons. First of all, I want to say is guys, Creative Commons not mean that you can upload anyone's video. You need to find a right video and then guys you edit this video. Let's say top 10. You choose 4 videos and guys you cut on those 4 videos video editing, and when you make top 10 fastest car video, just upload on YouTube. How we are use Creative Commons? Just click on filter and then guys click on Creative Commons, and as we can see here guys, lots of videos here. But guys, I think you need to find the right owner of these videos. Okay, why? Because if you don't choose the right owner, the owner will strike with you guys. So be careful. Okay, let's say I am choosing these 4 videos, and what I need to do, I can download a free video editing software, and then guys I mix all these 4 videos in one, and then guys I upload this video on YouTube. Let's say guys every 1,000 view you get $1 or $2. That's mean guys every 1 million view you get probably $1,000 to $2,000 one video, within one video. As we can see here guys, 1.1 million. So guys, once again I want to say is, don't just download this video and then upload this video. No guys, don't do this. You just download this video. If you don't know how to download, just search on Google and download those videos, and then you edit those videos. Let's say 4 videos, let's say you mix 4 videos in one, and then guys you upload this video, and the owner is don't strike. Remember one thing, if you get strike, your channel is vanish. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell.